Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Tableau Cloud extracts from Snowflake step by step clearly. Open Tableau Cloud and sign in with your credentials. Navigate to the Connections section in the main dashboard. Select Connect to Data to start a new data connection. From the available options, choose Snowflake as your data source. Enter your Snowflake account details, including the server name. Provide your username and password for authentication. Click on Sign In to establish the connection to Snowflake. Once connected, select the desired database within Snowflake. Browse through the schemas and choose the appropriate table or view for extraction. After selecting the table, click on Use Data Source. In the next window, configure any necessary data transformations or calculations. Once you're satisfied with your data configuration, click on Sheet to proceed. To create an extract, navigate to the Data menu at the top of the screen. Select Extract Data from the drop-down options. In the extract settings, specify the required filters and aggregation level. Choose the scheduling options for refresh frequency that fit your needs. Click Extract to generate the data extract from the Snowflake source. Once the extract is created, you will see it listed under Data Sources. You can now use this extract for your analysis and visualizations in Tableau Cloud. To automate future refreshes, set up a refresh schedule in the settings. Monitor the status of your extract refreshes regularly to ensure data accuracy. Congratulations, your Tableau Cloud extracts from Snowflake are now successfully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.